Yes, this is me in the flesh, David Mara, the Coils Coach here with the comeback video. Okay, hello 2021. So far, it's been so good as far as me, my personal growth, and all that good stuff. I can't speak for the world, okay, because the world is shit. But we gonna talk about self and holding ourselves together in the midst of all of this. I have missed you all so much. I'm glad to be back. As you can see, I have in a protective style because I had to put my hair away. Being on lockdown, not getting my hair done, like, you know, different styles, really keening in on that CoilsCoach and rocking that natural thing, baby. I got tired. As we all do. And what's best than the protective style, okay? I don't know what it is about these crochet, these locks, but I am feeling them, okay? I love the maintenance. I love how I can get to my scalp and moisturize it. Girl, y'all, my hair been growing like crazy, okay? My hair naturally grows really well on its own because I know what to do to stimulate that growth. But when I put my hair away, them things growing like wildfires, okay? Woo, I love it. Now, I'm gonna talk about protective styling on this video here. At the moment, I am currently cutting off my color. Yes, don't be surprised when you see me back on this camera. Most of my hair is my natural color, that dark brownish. That's another story. We're gonna get to that later. But back to the locks. Now, I had butterfly locks at first. And baby, when I got my hair done, I felt like a bad bitch, okay? I mean, naturally, I always feel good. And, you know, I always feel like I look beautiful and things like that. But it was another level. Now, ladies, y'all know how it is. Y'all get that fresh look and you feel yourself, honey. Can't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah, I had those moments as well with them butterfly locks. I might put a few pictures in here. They on my social media channel. Y'all, some of y'all seen them, but I might drop a few of them in this video. But baby, the butterfly locks maintenance was amazing. It was lightweight. Only thing is, I have a piercing right here. And like with the back of the piercing, the hair kind of kept being stuck. So that was the only annoying part about the butterfly locks, because it has a lot of like, it's like looser than the locks. The hair is a little bit more tighter onto the rope or whatever you want to call it. I don't know what to call it. If the hair is a little bit more tighter to the piece than it is on the butterfly locks. Now, the butterfly locks, baby, perfect. Winter, spring, summer, fall look year round. I get that thing a 10 out of 10. Now let's get into these faux locks, okay? Honey, these faux locks are long. I had like the 34-inch, like them things was going down to my thigh. I was not used to that, baby. I was sitting on the hair, I was pulling. So I ended up cutting them. Because again, I'm not really used to long hair because I've been rocking my short hair, my natural hair for a long time. So the weight is a little bit different for me. But I found out that when I cut the hair, it got a little lighter. And as time went on, it became a little bit more manageable. When I put it in a top bun, all sophisticated and stuff, it's even lighter. But y'all, ooh, as you can see, I am really pleased with this protective style. I enjoyed my butterfly locks. I love my faux locks here. Whoever thought about doing the individual crochet, baby, kudos to y'all. I love y'all so much. It's such a time saver. And I'm big on time these days because I need it all. Okay, we only got 24 hours and we got so many things to do. But hey, the Coils Coach is here and telling y'all, put your hair up. It's okay to put your hair up. And I'm coming with some other styles that are far away from wash and goes. So y'all continue to stay tuned. I appreciate y'all for riding this wave with me. This is year 3. You already know the Trinity year. So I am really excited on what is to come. I cannot wait to share with you all and keep you all on this journey. I'm just happy to be back. That's it. I'm just happy to be back. And I want to tell y'all so much, but gotta wait, gotta be still. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new here. Thank y'all so much. I love you.